Welcome to qnawire.
Hello, today we'll be continuing our discussions on probability distributions, and we will be completing an example that is based around a distribution defined by an equation instead of by a table, and we will be translating it into a table distribution and then determining if it is a probability distribution or not. Now, our equation for today is P of x, or probability of x, equals x, and we're doing it for the x values 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5. Now, before we draw out our distribution for the day, I would like us to all remember that the two rules required to make a distribution a probability distribution. All the probabilities in the distribution must be between 0 and 1, and the sum of all of our probabilities must equal 1. If those two things are not followed, then we cannot have a probability distribution. So let's go on ahead and start writing out the distribution based on this equation, and then we will determine if it is a probability distribution or not. So we'll start out with our random variable, which is our x value, on the top row of our distribution, and our probability of x on our lower row. And again, we are doing 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5 for our x values. So then our probabilities of x values are 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5. And now we have all of our probabilities are between 0 and 1. We have no negative probabilities, and we have no probabilities greater than 1. And if we add our probabilities together to get our total, we see 0.2 plus 0.3 equals 0.5, plus another 0.5 equals 1 in total. So this distribution is indeed a probability distribution. We have confirmed that it can represent a set of probabilities for a set of x values without any issues